Create nice column output in Python. I am trying to create a nice column list in Python for use with command line admin tools which I create. Basically, I want a list like to turn into. Using plain tabs won't do the trick here because I don't know the longest data in each row. This is the same behavior as column T in Linux. I have looked around for various Python libraries to do this but can't find anything useful.
What this does is calculate the longest data entry to determine the column width. Then use .loose to add the necessary padding when printing out each column.
Since Python 2.6+, you can use a format string in the following way to set the columns to a minimum of 20 characters and align text to right. Output.
I came here with the same requirements, but at LVC and at Preet's answer seems more in line with what column T produces in that columns have different widths.
This is a little late to the party, and a shameless plug for a package I wrote, but you can also check out the columnar package. It takes a list of lists of input and a list of headers and outputs a table formatted string. This snippet creates a Docker-esque table. To read more about the column sizing algorithm and see the rest of the API, you can check out the link above or see the columnar GitHub repo.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.